I am obsessed with these curtains and how this all turned out. They're too long, so we'll either hem them or I don't know what we're gonna do, but there's something about like kind of sheer curtains with the sun coming in. Oh, it just feels so cozy and romantic. I don't know. I love it. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. I'm just getting ready to do like a Pilates yoga infusion class. And then I'm gonna eat some breakfast and get on with my day. I have a few things that I want to take care of around the house today. And the bone broth that I've been working on is done, so I need to strain that and get it into bags. And then this afternoon I have some weight training and jujitsu. So yeah. All right, done with that. That was gnarly. I have some exciting news. Well, it's exciting for me. Last night I got my blue belt in jujitsu, which is so exciting. So if you're not familiar with jujitsu, it's basically like, it's a martial art, but it's mostly on the ground. Like, you can do takedowns and stuff like that, but it's mostly ground wrestling, submissions, stuff like that. No striking or anything. And the belts go white, blue, purple, brown, black. So I got my blue belt last night, which was really exciting. I'm proud. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of hard work and a lot of soreness. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty proud. But yeah, I'll insert some pictures so you guys can see, but I'm very excited about that. And yeah, so I'm gonna make some, oh, the ducks are in the garden boxes. I'm gonna make some breakfast. I think I have some oatmeal prepped, so gonna have some of that, get that fiber in first thing in the morning. And yeah, we'll go from there. This is breakfast. I added some pecans and then just a sliced apple on top. And then it's oats, blueberries, and flax seeds and chia seeds. It's gonna be good. It drives me nuts when I see homesteaders dressing all cute to do like outdoor farm chores, and I'm just like, I'm all about being practical. It's cold outside. I'm gonna wear layers, a beanie, Chores coat, cause it's big and warm, and I'm wearing sweatpants. It drives me nuts. I'm like, why are you guys dressing all cute to go get dirty? Not here. On this channel, we're real. We dress practical and we get dirty. Yep, that's all I have to say. Another day of disappointment. No eggs. That's all right. I have a feeling they're gonna wait a while to lay since there's not very much daylight happening right now. Everyone's napping for the most part. Wow. Where's your foot? So funny when they sleep with one foot up. Oh, you guys are so cute. So peaceful. Alexis, what are you doing? She's so loud. She's been really like ornery lately. I think she's gonna be the first one to lay an egg. Yeah, I'm talking about you. This dog is on another level. She's been acting crazy the last couple weeks. Those are some happy duck noises. I don't know what's going on over there. Normally means they found good bugs or good plants. Okay, so I'm gonna now sort out the bone broth that I've been cooking. It's cooked for about 37 hours, so that's plenty of time for all of the nutrients in the bones to leach out, and it looks really good. It's a nice dark amber color. So I'm gonna get this sorted and put it into freezer bags. But I just love this, you guys. Like, I love making things from scratch, like your own broth, your own pasta sauce, your own jams and preserves and like pickled vegetables and stuff like that. Like, it's so rewarding, and I feel like it just makes you so much more appreciative and thankful for your food because you've grown it and then you've put in the work to make it what it is. And I don't know, it's a really good feeling and I love it. And yep, okay, so let's get this sorted. Alright, this is either gonna go really well or really poorly. This made so much more broth. I will be using this thing again. My mom said that if I like it, then they would get me one for Christmas, so definitely gonna do this again. Now I gotta wait for the fat to come to the top, and then I skim that off, and then I can measure it out and put it into freezer bags. So it takes a couple hours for the fat to kind of solidify at the top. So I'm just gonna set it off to the side on the stove and wait. I am on my way to lift some weights. Finishing up my afternoon coffee. I did not sleep good last night, so I needed a little afternoon pick-me-up. But I am going out the door, gonna lift some weights and train some jiu-jitsu.
To be a mega mentor on The Voice, Team Buble, Team Snoop.
We're fun guys looking to have a fun time.
It's like they know I'm about to leave. Bye. I'll see you in a little bit. Well, good afternoon, you guys. Don't mind all of this. I just got done with class. And I feel wrecked. I'm just stopped at Meijer right now, the grocery store, because I am picking up some ingredients for some meals that I'm making for my friend who's about to have a baby. My other friend was like, we should do a meal train for her. I think she would really appreciate that, and I agree. I think that's probably one of the best gifts you can give new parents is some nice home-cooked meals that they just have to heat up. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm planning to do today. It's like rainy and gloomy, and a cozy day in the kitchen sounds great. That sounds so good. So I think I'm gonna make 3 meals today, so that'll take up a good majority of my day, and yeah, it'll just be a cozy day. All right, I did 3 casseroles. This one's like a chicken pot pie noodle casserole. This one is like a taco pasta casserole, and then this one's like a hamburger rice casserole. So I think they're gonna be happy with those. I'm gonna put foil over them and then label what they are. And yeah, I ended up letting my bone broth sit in the fridge overnight just so all of the fat would solidify and rise to the top. But it's ready to bag up now. I'm really curious to see how many cups I got. There is a lot here, so let's bag it up and see how much we got. So in total, we made 21 cups of bone broth, which is so good. And I honestly feel like I could have filled the pot up more. I just didn't have a lot of bones. I only had 2. So I'm super happy with this. And then there's a little bit left over that I'm cooking with now. I'm just making like a vegetable soup. But so it probably got close to 25 cups, which is so good.